Hi guys, it's me, Georgie. Same day if you've already seen my first channel. My dad's right next to me working. Yeah, they can see you. I haven't been a bit funny today. Well, today we're playing Murder Mystery 2. And my brother's allowed to join if he wants to. Okay, you're joining to me if you want.
You're not playing it.
I haven't used a computer for a long time playing Roblox, so don't blame me if I struggle.
That's because I'm always playing it.
Yeah.
It's basically like mine. I'm the only one who. It's basically like mine. I'm the only one who uses it. Hurry up! Okay, now you're playing Joy.
I just made it. So guys, so far I'm innocent.
Do you think I'll make it? See, it's connected. Tablet.
You're not playing yet. Wait, where
Here I am.
Oh, then you've made it.
I'm higher than Jane. I'm higher than you or under you. Yeah, I'm in. I made it.
Oh, come on, everyone knows it.
I'm lying.
Why do you have to?
Guess what it just said?
What?
Hi there, the best Jessie in the world. Jessie! Do you like my
Guys, if you don't know this hiding spot, you gotta get this one. Look, there's no. I'm going through this thing. Look, no door. It's amazing. See if this guy wants to trade. Level 18. Smart. Hi, it's level 18. Is he gonna press accept? Rude. Can't press the line. Wait, is that mandate? Oh.
There is a girl with a weird looking nose.
I'm gonna chat and see. Hi, did you just leave me? I'm gonna say I am recording.
Georgie, I'm spectating you. I'm spectating Georgie.
Recording. Vid. I'm recording a vid. Sad emoji. Hashtag sad. Wait, I wonder what emojis there are. No, can't be.
Georgie, do this one.
I'm gonna say why? No.
Georgie, do the one I just chatted out.
Guys, whoa, that person has a lot.
Georgie, do the one.
Just moving my screen. No, guys, this is my tree. I've no bubbles.
Look what I said.
He just said I'm Vex. I even know what that means. Yeah, I do know what that means. But I have no bubbles on my tree, sadly, so I'll deal with it. Ooh, I'm gonna join. Wait, I'll meet you at Jamie. I'll meet you at Santa's sleigh. Cause I'm gonna be sitting next to an elf. Well.
I can't sit down, Belinda.
Oh yeah. Well, I am. Yee. Oh. Just sitting.
I only have 17 coins.
Are these guys just gonna follow me? Does that always come up? I can't even click it.
Georgie, show them what you have to do. Like, you savage stuff, get ornaments and that.
I'm just gonna buy, I don't know, shop. weapons. Don't know. Bye.
I spawned outside.
I'm not.
I spawned in a hiding spot.
Where have I got him? Oh, an eco.
Echo.
Oh no! I seriously do not want big kill. I got big kill.
You need build kill.
I don't claim it.
Guys, I know if
I want to go again.
Guys, I know if you look here. I know that show them some hiding spots. So I know a few hiding spots.
Wait, guys, look at this. Wait, let's see this now. No. Bye bye, no.
Will
What?
we make it?
You only just made it.
No, we just missed.
Really, didn't miss.
Yeah.
Really? Yay! I sabotaged them.
Actually, he was waiting there to watch the
Wait, first before we hide, let's look. See, found Sarah. Wow, Murder is doing okay. Definitely okay.
500 XP.
Are you okay?
You got an X and you got a P. You got an X and you got a P.
Who was murderer? Let's vote. I'm gonna vote this time. I'm not missing it. I'm not missing it.
Should I do slow-mo walk?
That he only survived for 56 seconds.
I'm gonna do slow-mo walk.
I didn't even see who murderer was.
Look at behind you, I'm walking.
Guys, to see, I must have to.
Yeah,
What's
I'm
this video
walking
again?
to you so slow.
Hospital
I
2.
need my-
Hospital 2. I need service. No, don't go from.
Hallelujah.
Go to level 2.
Hallelujah.
What dances are there? Dance one I like.
It's just a-
Wait, I'm gonna say hey, like to sound cool. Let's say hey.
You know you're still recording.
Wait, what? It was. Yeah, I know I'm recording. Why would I do that? I'm gonna do something really silly to my. Well, if I do get fans.
Rudy, look at this. Rudy, look how slow I'm walking.
Value. Wow.
Rudy, now look.
Well, sorry, you have to come over here if you want to be.
Rudy, look how slow I'm walking.
Well, if you want to be in the channel, you have to come over here. I get got
Rudy,
Jane.
look how slow.
Don't. That's my brother. Being ridiculous.
Can I actually go faster?
Whee!
Go slow.
Oh.
I'm gonna go outside and walk slow.
Shut up.
Hi, murderer.
Right. Are you dead?
I know.
Okay, I've just got to. Should I accept? Comment down below right now.
Yeah, you're gonna stay on my head till I get down.
No, I'm trading with someone. Oh, do you want to frosty cloud?
No, you were on my head and then I knocked you off.
48.
I will make it for the boat.
Oh, I really
I'm
wanted
walking to the boat so slow. Oh, you can only one hit boat.
to. Another one.
It's gonna be
Wait,
house two.
another one.
No, it's the chasing
No.
me.
Another. Hurry up. I'm not. Oh, I really. Oh yeah, accept. Yeah, I accept you this person. I've got a snowman.
Really?
Just saying, guys. I'm never getting rid of my Sia, am I? Soda. Soda's the best. Look, I've even got my shit and my soda
It's
on
got
me.
a crush on it.
I've got a crush on the soda.
I was right this time.
You're usually never right, but I guess you're right. There's been a kill.
Guys, the trick for this game is walk. In this map is walk wherever you want. And not murder. And just go chasing.
I don't trust him.
Me?
No, the other guy.
Because I'm chasing you.
I know where he's gone, but... Okay, guys, I'm just gonna chase these dead bodies. And not up there. Oh my god, guys, you gotta... Don't blame me about...
I know who murder is.
Who?
Blonde hair, blue top girl.
Yeah, I see that.
She's I didn't kill that guy sitting on the tank.
Guys,
Is she after you?
no. Where is she?
She's waiting.
No! Guys, I already totally got her. Wait, can I get a midnight? I would trade with her. Guys, do you want to see the good stuff that I've got? I've got a seer. I got legendary. I got another legendary. And I got a galaxy. And I got a snowman. And I got an elf gun somewhere. Wherever it is. Oh yeah, elf gun. And snowman. I just don't want the big kill. That can go for free. Do you want something for free?
Me?
Yes, you. Who do you think I'm talking to? A random stranger that I don't even see. I'll give you something for free.
We'll just send you a quest. We'll just send you a quest.
This is no sound. Look, there's no sound.
What about quest?
No sound.
Okay, sorry guys, it's just hard. Yeah, can I have a big kill for free? I do not want it. Ooh.
No.
Okay, sure, D-line. I want to go to voting. And good luck getting there in your slow motion. Wait until I'm out of it. Da. Then I'm out of it. And guys, guess what? I'm sheriff again! But I really struggled in that round. So, yeah, I'm so happy. No. Right, no one really believes that. Get me gun out.
Die.
That just freaked me out.
I died on the top floor.
I was on the top. I see that.
Yeah.
Is it him?
I wasn't looking. I was in first person.
Is it him?
No.
I knew it was him.
It wasn't.
What? I'm gonna say sorry because that was really selfish of me. Well, not selfish, but rude. But it wasn't really rude. It's just a game. Hey, Jesse's playing.
Stop.
Really? Wait, is that Jesse? No, that's not Jesse.
Look who's murderer. Green top guy.
Okay, guys, if you want to spectate this, that's not murderer. That's not murderer. That's... Hey, he stole my gun.
Hero. Georgie,
He's hero.
spectate him. No, the other one. The one now.
That's murderer. This is clearly murderer. But he looks like he's wiggling his booties. Jamie's wiggling his booties. My hair is very naughty today. No one's chatting me. Wait, who's moved? You haven't moved yet, Jamie. I'm gonna say hey. Wait, I'm gonna say
Is he playing with us? I'm not playing with us.
hi.
We're just doing a channel, Mummy.
I am recording. I'm recording right now, you know. So people are gonna hear you. Oh, Jesse. Oh, Jesse, you got to see her new necklace. It's so pretty. Jesse, do you want to show it to her? Do that? Okay, camera's there.
Can't really see it.
It won't upload. It'll be too big to upload. You stop it, save it.
Guys, I need to wrap it up now.